Great class, today we are going to learn something new. Yes, Dark Plasma Bowser.
Can I please use the restroom?
Sure, but be quick, so you don't miss the lesson.
I'm going to make a blizzard and freeze the school so that there will be no more school. Yes, the school is completely frozen. Now we won't have any school today. Nothing can stop me now. Not even. Oh crap, it's Principal Brian. That's right, Dark Plasma Bowser. Why is the school frozen? Care to explain? Alright, I didn't want school to happen, so I made a blizzard in the school so there won't be school today. What? Oh my god, Dark Plasma Bowser, what in the world is wrong with you? Do you have any idea how long it took to build this whole school building? Now it'll take way longer to thaw the school out. That's it, you are expelled forever. Go home now. No 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 no. Dark Plasma Bowser, 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 Dark Plasma Bowser. Get over here right now. Oh, my freaking god. Dark Plasma Bowser, we cannot believe you made a blizzard, froze the school, and got expelled forever. Now it'll take a long time to thaw the school out. I'm sorry, Mom, Dad, Plasma Bowser Jr., Baby Plasma Bowser, and Baby Plasma Princess. I just didn't want there to be school.
Nope, your apology is denied. You should have thought about that before you even caused a blizzard and froze the school.
And because of what you did, you're grounded until the teacher and principal can thaw the school out, or at some point, get you a new school.
Now go to your room right now, and think about what you did.
And don't come out until we say so, or until you can apologize to us and actually mean it. Go, now.
Well, that's just great. Wow.